Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica, and if you guys didn't know, I'm a professional makeup artist based here in Las Vegas. I am also the Space and K counter manager here at Nordstrom's at Fashion Show Mall on the Strip. So today's look, I wanted to focus on a color that I feel has been taking like the back seat for a long time, and that color is gray eyeshadow. I feel like no one really does gray eyeshadow anymore. I know they exist, and I've seen a couple brands have somewhat of a gray palette, but they're not even true gray. They're usually like cool browns with like one gray eyeshadow thrown in. So I really love that aesthetic, that gray eyeshadow look. I really wanted to focus today's look on the gray eyeshadow. So this is what I came up with. If you're interested in learning how I used this gray eyeshadow to create this look, keep on watching. All right, let's begin. So assuming you did all your skincare and moisturized, hydrated, and put your sunscreen on, I'm going to my go-to primer by Terry, the Hyaluronic Primer, which is hydrating but leaves the skin very smooth and supple and ready for the foundation. So now I'm using the Hourglass Vanish Flash highlighting sticks in the color Champagne and Bronze Flash. And this is a technique taught to me by the counter manager at Hourglass. So you take two colors of the sticks, one light and one dark. One acts as a highlighter, obviously, and the other one is kind of like a bronzer. And you place it as you would like a contour and highlight. And then you don't really blend it out. You just kind of place the color, and then you take the foundation, which I'm using the Lancome Care and Glow Foundation in 245C, and buff it on top. And by doing this, it blends everything in together at once while creating a little bit of shape for your face, and just leaves the skin with this beautiful, ethereal, soft glow finish. It is so gorgeous. So now that the foundation is on, we are going to do some color correcting using the Lancome Camouflage Corrector in the color Peach, just to remove any darkness under the eyes. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the Lancome All Over Concealer in Bisque Neutral. And I'm just kind of throwing everything on. This is what I like to do when I'm in a rush. I kind of throw on all the highlighter and concealer and corrector, and then I just buff it in all at once with a damp beauty blender. And that way it doesn't absorb into the sponge, and you're just blending everything all at once, and it's just fast and easy. So now I'm taking the Lancome No Shine Loose Setting Powder and just setting those areas in the center of my face to prevent from moving and to make it last all day. And afterwards, we are going right into one of my favorite products of this look, and this is the Chanel Le Beige Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream in the color 392 Medium Bronze. And let me tell you, I have never used this product, and it is amazing. I know you're judging me because I am late to the party, but can we just talk about how amazing it was? It just gave me the most beautiful bronzy glow. I was like seriously gagged. Like, hello. I am like, wow. Wow. Like literally I was in shock when I was done. So now that the skin is beat and flawless and perfect and glowing, we are moving right into brows. So the brow product I'm using is the Anastasia Brow Definer in the color Ash Brown. And I decided to, you know, challenge myself and go away from the brow powder and just try out the pencils. I usually don't like pencils because I feel like it takes such a long time on my brows if I use a pencil. But this one wasn't too bad because it had a thicker lead, and I felt like it came out pretty good. So now I'm taking a little bit of concealer and just sketching out and sharpening my brows. Was in between brow threading, so my brows weren't the vibe, and I needed to like sharpen them out with a little concealer, blend it out, and bring it down onto the lid to act as an eyeshadow primer to help the eyeshadow last longer and look more vibrant. All right, girl, here we go with the gray eyeshadow look. So I've used all MAC eyeshadows, and is it me or MAC eyeshadows back to how they used to be? Because back in the day, MAC eyeshadows were so good, and then they got all watered down ever since they got bought out by Estee Lauder, and now I feel like they're really pigmented again. Anyway, So after I put the Lancome concealer, I use the color Cozy Gray to sketch out the shape on my eye, and then I darkened it out with the color Scene into my crease. As you can see, I'm just darkening and building up that crease color. And then with the color Graystone, I'm going in with this amazing NARS brush that I love because it's like angled and it just, oh, look at that. It just gets into those little corners and really gets you a defined shape, and you could turn it in different ways and it does different things. I'm even using it as an eyeliner, as you can see here, like it's smoked out eyeliner. And I'm using that gray stone, that dark, dark gray color. And then now I'm just going back into the cozy gray, the light gray color with a 224 MAC brush to blend out the edges. So to sharpen this look out, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal eyeliner in the color Bedroom Black. I wanted this look to be classic and wearable for a lot of different people, so I decided to just go with a nice classic black, slightly winged eyeliner. So I put it on as usual and I pull it out with a pointy eyeliner brush just to give it a really smooth, even finish. I'm taking a little bit of that eyeliner and bringing it down onto my lower thirds to define that gray eyeshadow, and then curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler. Now I'm using one of my favorite mascaras. It is the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. It's tried and true. It's been around forever, and it takes my dinky little lashes and turns it into something. And I just love it because you can build upon it and it just looks really great. Bring it down to the lower thirds to accentuate my lower lash line. And then here comes a transition. Yes, both eyes are done. Popped on some lashes. And now I'm using the Cle De Peau cream blush in the color Too Pale Fig. I love a nice pink blush with a gray eyeshadow. There's just something really soft and pretty about it. So I love this blush color. I think it just matches the look perfectly. I'm just lining my lip with a color from MAC called Soar and just lightly lining my lip out to get some definition. And then I'm finishing off the look with the Cle De Peau Radiant Lip Gloss in the color Rose Pearl. Just continuing that pale pink vibe from the cheeks and onto the lips. It just looks so beautiful with that great eyeshadow. And here comes a transition. Yes, Wind Machine. Soft, feminine, sultry, but not trying too hard. I hope you guys liked it. Okay, guys, so this is the look. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked how I utilized, gray eyeshadow. I love this combination of like pale pink on the lips and the cheeks with a nice soft gray smoky eye. I hope you guys can go out and try this look out and let me know what you guys think down below. Again, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notifications to get notifications when new videos like this are uploaded. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!